I bought a 1981 Datsun 280ZX roller. In case you haven't seen the previous videos on it, there's a lot of rust repair required along with major bodywork. It's also going to be getting a pretty cool engine swap. No, it's not going to be an LS. Let's be honest, those are way too common. If you want to check out the rest of the videos in the series, I will have the playlist linked at the end of the video. Also, if you want to follow along and support the build, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Anyways, let's get started with the video. Alright, so I got the spare slot cut out yesterday. I messed up with recording the video and I got about 6 seconds of usable footage. So here I am recording my intro again. Now I just need to grind it all smooth, get it prepped for welding, and make a template for the sheet metal I bought. So we got this piece all cut out and all prepped for welding. And then over here, everything else is cut out, cleaned up, ready for welding over here as well. I've test fit this part about 50 times and we'll go ahead and get it in and tacked in place. After several attempts at trying to get good welds out of it, I've been messing with the settings and stuff, and I realized I was welding without a tip, and believe it or not, it's kind of important, so I had to go through, grind it all down again, and go over it again. Alright, so I got this plate welded in. Super crappy welds, but I'll be able to grind them smooth and paint over them and hopefully make them look decent. I am using a really terrible welder, just a Chicago Electric MIG welder, the cheapest one they have at Harbor Freight. It works, it's in place, and it's solid, so that's all that really counts for me, but overall it turned out pretty bad. Now what I'm gonna do is take out all this noise insulation. It's all gonna come out. From what I've seen is a lot of people use dry ice, but I have heard that you can use a heat gun. You heat it up real hot and you should be able to just scrape it right off with a putty knife. Alright, so that didn't go as good as I thought it would. It works, but I'm just not sure if I got it hot enough or something, because it was taking forever. I had it cranked up to 700 degrees. I might just need to go a little hotter. I'll try again tomorrow and see if it works out a little better. Alright, so I got a good chunk of the noise insulation out. It's a huge project, so that's probably going to be its own separate video. So that'll be it for today's video. See you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe.